is just field momentum. Space is gravity, which is unsynchronized momentum. Field momentum is not originated from mass, but mass is part of an energy entangled ecosystem. So gravitational force is not in detectable mass only. For example, light has no mass, but can be synchronized into detectable mass. Conventional theory of gravity as an independent type of fundamental force originating solely from mass, with standard calculations of gravity, can have some unexpected observations. Mass distribution. Case 1. Two equal mass A at distance B apart. According to the universal gravitational equation, gravity force between them is 1.066 times 10 to the power of 17 newtons. Case 2. Mass X and Y. Both half the mass of mass A, at distance K and L respectively from mass A. Theoretically, mass A should experience equal gravitational force in both cases. Now let's look at it from field momentum's perspective. Momentum in higher interaction field is traveling slower from lower interaction field's perspective. Interaction in case 2 is distributed more evenly, causing momentum to interact more directly with details of 5.98 times 10 to the power of 24 kg separately, which is mass X plus Y, then interacting with the same mass in one piece. Despite the higher density in case 1, continual compounding deceleration in case 2 has stronger overall pull. So momentum in case 2 will travel slower, and when momentum reaches matter slower, matter has to be recreated nearer to the source, aka stronger gravitational pull. Thus, mass A in case 2 will experience greater gravitational pull. This is the reason for unencountered gravity, the mysterious dark matter, which of course does not exist. It is a natural field momentum effect. Different distribution of same mass have different gravitational effect. Distributed mass can act like amplifiers of gravity. Inverse square root estimates gravitational force for single or predominant source of mass. Cannot calculate gravitational force for more evenly distributed source of mass. Distributed mass is much more effective in trapping unsynchronized momentum. Like a thin fan coral is much more effective in trapping plankton than a thick wire coral of the same volume. Trapped unsynchronized momentum increases field density and helps attracting more momentum. Dark energy. Gravity is unconfigured momentum. All unconfigured momentum are interfering with each other, dispersing to minimal interaction. An integrated field system limits diffusion of unsynchronized momentum, as integrated field systems need to balance interaction with surrounding, forming a gradient from high density to low density field. When interaction adaptation of mass is fulfilled, excess unsynchronized momentum will continue dispersing itself, until the fabric of interaction can no longer stretch, which is minimal interaction. That is how space or distance is created. Gravity permeates all distance because distance is created by gravity. Unlike field systems, gravity itself has no sync equilibrium to maintain, and will disperse as much as it can. The nature of unsynchronized momentum, gravity, is to disperse momentum. The nature of synchronized momentum, mass, is to focus momentum. Multiverse pull. When fabric of interaction loses its elasticity, by stretching near minimal interaction, it becomes tightened strings for other universes to pull each other closer, accelerating field density diffusion in current trajectories, where integrated field systems cannot hold on to. Observable trajectories of matters and light suggest a Big Bang occurred. No evidence that multiverse does not exist before Big Bang, or multiverse does not exist in the same dimension. Interaction is the fundamental requirement of an existence. All existence must constantly interact with other existences. Nothing can escape or alter fundamental interaction. Nothing can hide in other dimensions or create new ones, ever. Universe, configuration of a Big Bang. Multiverse, all universes exist on the same platform, same dimension, constantly interacting with each other.